Vehicles built in the United States January of 1970 and later required an illuminated rear marker lamp. Chevrolet created a design that was smoothly incorporated into the newly restyled Chevelle rear quarter panel. With these cars becoming half of a century old, parts like these will need replacement. The lenses can fade and become brittle, while the bezels can corrode and rust. This can not only be a visual nuisance, but a safety concern as well. Hey, I'm Dennis from Original Parts Group, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 Chevelle rear marker lamps and bezels. Every rear marker lens is manufactured from injection molded plastic and case-hardened steel tooling just like the originals. Our marker bezels are made from die-cast zinc to identical OEM specifications. They are then finished in a protective coating to prevent rust and corrosion prior to painting them to match the vehicle. In addition, we pre-drilled the mounting holes so your marker assembly will be ready to install in your reproduction or original quarter panel with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.